call for them. So I'll be very fast. So boom 500 is on my chart right now. And yesterday we picked some good trades on boom 500. And the mainly thing I use is support and resistance. So, and then I check my RSI. My RSI is at 21. So my RSI is 21. Then I use parabolic for entries. This is my main parabolic. Then I have these two moving average. I also use them for my analysis. So this is what the market is about to do. So right now, after it has come back, after breaking this level of resistance, it has just come back and retesting this. So maybe we're gonna see it coming back, moving back up. So this is what we are expecting. So this is 15 minutes time frame. So I do like to analyze on higher time frame too. So I go to higher time frame, and you can see on hourly chart. My RSI was yesterday. My RSI was at 30, and that's why I took some buy opportunity here. But I didn't take because of the RSI was 30. There's some main reason why I took those trades based on price action. So today you can see there was a signal for a buy, and the market came back, retested this support here, this resistance. So we may see it coming back up. So that's a nice analysis on boom 500. So retesting this support here, getting a nice opportunity on 5 minutes for buy. So let's see, can see. So if I'm looking to buy this, any drop to my simple moving average on 5 minutes chart, and I see if bouncing back from the simple moving average, then the parabolic confirms for my entry. Once the parabolic confirms my entry, then I'll buy this. So this is a good setup for me to buy boom 500. Then boom 1000. Let's see what's have boom 1000. Boom 1000 has been crashing of late. Yeah, going back up. So let's move to 1 hour chart and see what we have. So 1 hour chart is like this. So it's an uptrend. So if this boom 1000 continue to spike until this level of resistance, then it will be a nice opportunity for me to look for shorts. So what I mean by short, I'll be looking to sell. So using a lower time frame. So I'll switch to 15 minutes time frame. And then this is my 15 minutes time frame. Then I start to look for something. Either I look for a double top, head and shoulder, or a divergence from the RSI. So I need the RSI to hit 70. And that's why I'm telling you it has to move up for me to sell, so that my RSI will be at 70, and anything like lower low, it'll be a nice opportunity for sell, or lower high. So I'm also watching this. So what I was telling earlier is that trading is about 70% of waiting and 30% of trading. So you have to wait. For you to be successful, you have to wait. So you to have those nice setups and nice trade, you have to wait. So that's why I'll wait for RSI to hit 21. Then that means on 1 hour chart, I need the market to hit this level of support, this level of resistance, I mean. So I'm expecting to come a little bit up. So that is boom 1000. So let's go to boom. So I'll delete this. So let me remove this. So let's go to crash 500. Crash 500, that is 1 hour chart. Actually, yesterday I wanted to send a signal for buy, but I was very not sure because the market was consolidating at this area. Any spike, I was waiting for market to pass this level of support to come a little bit down, but it failed. So later the market went back up. So yeah, it's fine. If the market does not do what you want, then it's fine. Don't regret. So for now, for today, on the last night, market dropped, and now it's moving up. So it has not retested nicely this level of support, of resistance here. So, but still moving up. So for me, this, I won't be looking for any buy. Let me check on 15 minutes if I can see buy or sell. So let me check 15 minutes. Yeah. So likely could be a buy, but you can see what I usually tell people, my mentors, my people I meant, my students, usually say if the market passes and below the simple moving average, my two simple moving, and start closing some candle below, then don't look for buy. So the signal came for buy on 15 minutes chart, and I was waiting for the same to happen yesterday, but you can see it failed to come back up to the my simple moving average for me to buy. The signal came for a buy and it went back up nicely, but today it went back to the to below, some candle closed below the simple moving average. So what I'll be looking mostly on this trade is a sell. So I'll be praying that the market failed to go up and move back down. So I'll praying be a false signal. So I'll be praying for this to happen. So come back down, give me a sell signal, then I'll be looking to sell. So because of this, yeah, this is not a good sign for a rebounds of the simple moving average. This is a bad sign. So, and you can see on 1 hour chart. Let's go to 1 hour chart. You can see on our chart, I usually tell when the market is away from simple moving average, the market has to retest back. So, and you can see when this market was above the simple moving average, it had to came back down. So it already made the lower low, and already made the higher low, and already made the lower low. So any sell will be a nice opportunity for me. So this is what I'm talking about lower low. So this is what I'm talking about. So I'm talking about this high. So this is a low, another low high, another low low. So if we're gonna make a new low high and give me a signal for sell, then I'm gonna take this sell until this level of support here. So this be looking for sell in this, so that can come and retest this level of resistance here, so that we can look either for buy or break this and still go back down. So this crash 500. So let's see crash 1000. So let's check on crash 1000, see what we have. So this crash 1000, and crash 1000 of late has moving on consolidation. Can see the market has been, if you narrow down to 4 hours, you can see the market has been consolidating of late, so trying to make new high but failing. So this is what I talked earlier about in my group about these two double dodge. So when you see these two double dodging, it's a secret for reversal. It's a secret for reversal. This is 4 hours. So the next hour, you could have narrowed to 15 minutes to see to look for a buy opportunity. So this is a double top that I was talking about earlier on my channel. Not double top, I mean double doji. So this double doji was a nice opportunity for a buy. So on 4 hours chart on crash 1000, can see a very strong bearish candle here. These are 4 hours candle, 4 hours candle. So market likely to can still continue going back down. So, but we are not sure. So we go to 1 hour, see what 1 hour is giving us. On 1 hour we had yesterday. This was yesterday. I don't remember. No, this was not yesterday. At night, because this 1 hour. So at night there was this pin bar, this rejection, and another rejection. This could be a nice opportunity for a sell on crash 1000. But at this particular point, I didn't send the signal because you are all sleeping. So you don't have to commit yourself so much on trading. Trading is a lifestyle. So yeah, so that's what I can say. So there's news opportunity for sale. For right now, if you can tell me what direction is crash 1000 going, I don't know. There's nothing, actually, there's nothing that I can really say about crash 1000. The only thing I can do is wait. I can wait. So let me can wait for it to come back to this level of support so that I can see some opportunity for buy. But for now, no buy, no sell, just wait. But we miss this opportunity here. See how it bounces on our moving average, forming a rejection, and now the market is starting moving back down. Yeah, so that's what I can say. Crash 1000. Let's try to analyze volatility 75. So I'll go to volatility 75 and see what we have there. So volatility 75, this is 50, this is 75. So this is 1 hour chart. And what I can say on volatility 75 actually is about to move up. Why? Because based on my strategy, so what I can say, based on my strategy, you can see there was, let's talk about now. You can see the RSI is about the 30 level, and there was this big sell that came in. Then the market failed to continue up, and then there was another big candle coming in for a bullish candle coming in. So the market has, in 1 hour time, the market has no volume so far. So there was this big volume, then fade, go up. So what I can say, as you can see on my chart, there is something I usually call the divergence. So there's a divergence here. So there's a divergence. I didn't draw it. So there's this divergence. So what I'll do, I narrow down to 15 minutes time frame and start looking for higher highs. So far, there's no, what's happening? So start looking for higher highs. And so far, there's no new high unless it make a new high. So let me draw and see what I'm talking about. So unless we make a new high, so see, make a new high, make a new low. So once make a new, I get a confirmation for buy, then I buy. But for now, the market is at this level of resistance. So, and if I can tell, this is a head and shoulder thing. So yeah, something like head and shoulder. Let me draw it properly. So kind of head and shoulder. Okay, where's my pencil? Okay, let me. So this is here, this shoulder one. So then come here. This is head. So this reverse head and shoulder. So if drop again and make a new shoulder, then it will be a nice opportunity for buy. So you can see this our head, this is our shoulder here, this is our shoulder. So this is reverse head and shoulder. So this is what I can say. So I just wait for it to drop, then pray for it to form a new shoulder. Then if you get a buy signal, then it'll be a nice opportunity to buy to new highs. So this I can analyze volatility 75 for now. So, and this is 15 minutes chart. But now buy still risky because of this level of resistance. Sell still risky because don't know if gonna continue back down. But what I can say, just wait for it to maybe to complete this head and shoulder, for it to go back up, or see a higher high. If fail to make this, see a higher high, a lower low, then we can look for buys. This is what I can say about volatility 75. So if I have any question, so we have around 3 people remained. You can ask
Check
your
out
question.
check out volatility 75, 25 index IS or something like that. I feel you get a signal there.
So volatility 25
25
and
1 second is IS.
so 70, 25, 25 1 second. Okay, this
Yes.
25 1 second. So let's narrow down to right now to this is 1 hour.
Yes.
Yeah, so let's see if you can see what we have. So this is 1 hour and narrow down. So of lately he has been moving down on a downtrend,
Mm-hmm.
and you can see here there was a nice divergence. So very nice divergence. So let's narrow down to 15 minutes for entries. So I usually take 15 minutes and 5 minutes for entry, 1 hour and
Yeah.
4 hours for analysis. So that's what I usually do. So let's narrow down for, and you can see where you had to buy. You can see the buy. The buy was here, exactly what I'm talking about. See up move, fail to make a lower low, then this up move, then the signal confirmed here. Remember, there's a divergent on 1 hour chart. So it was making small lower lows. So this is what I'm talking about lower lows. Once the Dow Jones was over to make this high, came back, make low, make a new high, came back, make a new high low, came back and make a new high, make a new high low, came back, make a new high, came later, make a new high low. So the movement was up. Clearly the movement was up, then giving a signal for a buy. Could have bought here, put your sell stop here, stop loss there, then your TP at this nearest this previous level of support of resistance here. So actually your TP could have been hit on this first move, or break even on the second move, then buy again. Since there was also a nice rejection here, could have bought again, and then up to these high levels before the market continue to go back again, coming back down to test this level of resistance, coming back up, get another opportunity for buy, then milk the market with that buy. So now it's coming back down. So if gonna continue back down, no signal, but gonna continue back and give another signal for buy, you buy and you continue like that. So that's how we trade this thing.
Uh, but can you buy since your moving average is getting a golden cross or something like that?
No, no, no.
Because very soon, yes, it will be getting a golden cross. Can you
Uh,
use it as a buy signal?
no, 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 no. I don't trade the indicator. When if give a gold signal, then I don't take this signal. I just use this SMA for bounce. If I get a nice rebounds from this, then I took a
Yeah.
signal. But for crossover, that's an F. I'll be trading the
Uh,
indicator, and I don't want to trade the indicator. Yeah, remember, I'm not
all
trading
right.
parabolic. I'm only using parabolic for entry. If I was busy trading parabolic, then all these signal that the parabolic generated, all these signal I could have taken them. But since I'm only trading what the market is doing, so it will be only looking for a buy, because I'm interested in buy, because the market has to move up, not sell. You can see the divergence and the RSI at 30 is an opportunity for a buy. So I just look for 15 minutes for buy setup and buy entry. So this was my buy entry. So good, nice profit from this level. So I could have waited for another one. So you understand. That's my own strategy. That's my own strategy, what I'm doing. So but if you come up with your own strategy, maybe the golden cross could be your entry. Yeah, so but I tried that golden it give late signals, so I just need something accurate, and parabolic can do for me for an entry. So but I don't enter using the crossover. Okay, any question? Uh, question, please.
Um,
Oh, some people want the link. Oh, maybe I deleted the link. Oh shit. Okay, let me share again the link. Okay, okay, I didn't see that. I didn't see that. So let me share the link again. That's why I was wondering why people are not joining up. So let me stop sharing so that I can get the link. So let me get the link. Oh, I deleted the link by mistake. So invite link. Okay, 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 okay. Oh, I forgot when I was deleting the previous link. So I forgot and deleted the current link. So I didn't notice. So I was wondering why people are not joining. So I hope they will be joining now. So any question? So let me go back to my chat. Any other question? Okay. No any question?
maybe you should show the people.
Hmm?
Maybe you can show them how to unmute their microphone so they can ask questions.
Oh yeah, 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 yeah. I think there is that option of some people don't know how to use Zoom. So you just have to mute and unmute yourself because I've not restricted anyone from talking. So you just have to unmute yourself and then talk. After you have finished talking, then you can I'm seeing a chat here. So please explain the parabolic entry again. So someone is saying to explain the parabolic entry. So this parabolic is my own setting. I give this setting to people who join my mentorship. So, and literally I've just said to my student that it's not necessary you take my you take my trading plan. This is my trading plan. This is my trick. You don't have to take my trading plan, but you can come up with your own trading plan as long as you understand the market. So this parabolic is only for my entries. So whenever the parabolic, so I'm expecting all of you know how to use parabolic. Whenever the first signal confirms and the comes back, drops back down the candle, that's a buy signal. And the opposite, like this one, these are sell signal. Whenever this dot comes in, is give a sell signal. And whenever the candle, the dots form below the candle is a buy signal. So I use that to enter. So whenever I'm looking for a buy, so I have to wait for this candle to confirm a buy. So I just wait for it to confirm my signal is a buy because initially I was looking for a buy. And I just don't take any buy. I have to look what the market is doing. If the market is moving up, or if there is also these structures, this market structure like wedge, like double top, double bottom, like head and shoulder, like peanuts. Those are things that I usually look mostly on the chart. Yeah. So that's what I look and how the market is moving. And then the other thing I added on my strategy is about the bouncing. I need the market to retest to 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 pull back up to my simple moving average for me to look for sales. So that's why most of the time that's why I use the parabolic. and you can see, and the two simple moving average is my gold simple moving average. So they are not default settings. They are not default settings. And yeah, I have let me have someone is asking for a question here. So let me see. So what time frame? So I use 15 minutes for entry and 5 minutes. Yeah. Why I use five and because my stop loss will be tight. My stop loss will be tight. That's why I use 15 minutes for entry. So if I enter around this place, if I enter here, then means my stop loss will be here below this swing low, and my TP will be this will not be my TP actually, because there's TP to stop loss. The ratio to TP to stop loss will be very, very poor. So I'll adjust my TP to these next levels here. So this will be my next TP, at least 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. And I'll do this every time on these indices. I just look for 1-to-1 ratio. Then the other thing, I make sure the risk I'm taking, like I'm losing if on volatility 25, I have to lose. If I say I have to lose only $50, then I have to lose $50. I don't have to lose $100 whenever my trade goes against me. I have to lose 50. Then I have to make 50. So I'll be having constant losses, but the winners I have to take at least 50. So if not 50, then I have to take, depending on the market, I have to take the break even or some small profit. But for loss, I have to take 50. So if I'm trading 75, I have my journal. So my journal telling me every time you trade 75, volatile 25, you have to take maximum of 50 a dollar loss, maximum of 50. So if the stop loss is far, then I have to divide my lot size. I have to divide my lot size so that I can be on that range of 50. Yeah, so I hope you understand me very well. So I use constant stop losses so that it will be easy for me to recover on the next trade if I win. So you just that you just can't uh, take every risk on every trade. Yeah, you just have to have a maximum loss for every entry you take. That's what I can say. Yeah, so everything about these constant losses, I usually teach on my mentorship program. That's why I have my mentorship program. But for here, just to give you some enlightenments and tell you what I usually do. Yeah. So if your stop loss, maybe if my stop loss was around this area, then I feel like the market may break this support and come here and still go back up. What I'll do, I just reduce my stop loss. That's why most of the time I send signal with some instruction. Use small lots, use 0.05, because I know very well some people will be using bigger lot size, and it will affect their account because the stop loss maybe is too far. So I have to say use small lots. Yeah, so at least divide your lot size by 2. So if you are using one lot size every time you trade, then if I say divide your lot size, I mean now you take that trade with 0.5, so that the stop loss will be, your loss will be much better. Yeah, so let me answer the next question here. Someone raised a question. So what time frame are you checking the trend on?
Yeah, very sure.
So just a minute. What time frame are you checking the trend? Okay, and higher time frame first. So I usually check on higher time frame for trend, 4 hours and 1 hour. So I usually check 1 hour and 4 hours to see where the market is going and looking for what I'm expecting from the. If I'm expecting the market to change on higher time frame, maybe change the direction, then I'll go for 15 minutes for entry. So Kings, do you have any question? Or it's not King?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't know. Can you analyze Boom 500, please?
So I already analyze. We missed the first explanation, but I already analyzed it. So I'll go back and analyze for you. But I already analyzed. So boom 500.
Please don't be offended. I
So
came late.
boom 500, right? And you can see what I was talking about, guys. See, poop is going up. So I had already discussed about this. So this is what I was. So this is 15 minutes time frame. So let's check on 1 hour time frame first. I was talking about retesting of this level of resistance. After it has broken this level of resistance, I was talking about retesting it. And once it retested this, we don't just take the trade immediately, it retested this level of support, of resistance. There's this a doji. There's this type of a doji. I don't know what's the name of the doji. And then we switch to 15 minutes time frame. Now we switch to 15 minutes time frame to check for entries. Check for entries. So for this kind of setup, because on 15 minutes there seems to be no entries, but we are expecting the market to retest this level of support, of resistance, and then come back up. So it just retested the broken level of resistance, and then coming back down, and then spiking back up. So here, so this is where we could have entered the trade. So you narrow down again to 5 minutes chart, because on 15 minutes chart we don't have any signal, but now we have a signal on 5 minutes chart, and that's where the signal came in. Can see. And before we came in, Kings, we had already talked about this. I had already told my people in this Zoom that we are looking for a buy. Once the signal confirms, we'll be looking for a buy. And this what has just happened. You see, the signal came. Let me draw. The signal came here. The signal came on this candle here. Can see this is the first dot. The signal came here. So this could be a buy. Then the stop loss here. See the stop loss, because we are using 5 minutes for entry, then we have to use the stop loss same 15 minutes the way we took the trade on 5 minutes. So the stop loss here, and the TP, see the TP is hit. So this our TP is already hit. Yeah, this is already hit. So this is our entry, this is our stop loss, and we have that nice profit there. And if you don't,
Yeah, because
you understand now.
I took the trade day before yesterday. I took for it to buy above above here.
Let me switch.
Do you
Above,
understand?
above where? Draw again.
So sure, above I bought around here, hoping the price to go up. Do you understand?
Yes.
Hoping the price to go up. Then since on Friday evening, the trade have been going down. I
Okay.
bought around this place. I bought around this place.
Okay.
Can you see it?
Yes.
So hoping the trade to go up, hoping the trade to go up, but since Friday, I've been
Yes.
holding on to the trade. It have been going down, going
Okay.
down,
Okay.
going down. I
Yeah.
was holding up to the trade, like I was very scared, but something came over me that I should hold the trade.
Okay.
Do you understand? But
Yes.
currently, I'm in $3 loss.
Okay.
I was in $60 loss when it
Whoa,
came
whoa,
down
whoa,
to
whoa, whoa,
this
whoa, whoa. Sorry for that.
support level.
Yeah.
So since that Friday, it came
Yes.
up to this support level,
Yes.
$62, but now
Yes.
is $3. So I've been holding on to it. I must get back my money from these people.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
what I'm seeing, I'm knowing that the trade will go up
Yes.
to my entry this thing.
And then you
So
close from.
that's why I asked for analysis.
Yeah. So yes. There's you can see this big 1 hour candle coming in. So there's high chances that it can still. Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you.
So I have 1 minute. I have 1 minute before my first session ends. So remember the Zoom session, I've not registered with the Zoom. They only give me the first for 5 minutes so that I can send again the link to rejoin again. I think that we have a lot to discuss. So I'll be sending the link again. So because I have around 1 minute before this session closes up, because they only give for 5 minutes, but I've not registered them. So if I think if I can stop from there, then I send the link again. Are you okay, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have a lot to
Okay,
discuss.
it's okay.
Yeah, we have a lot to discuss. So let me let's end this session. Then I send another link. So for those people who had missed earlier, so they can join. So thank you, thank you. Just like 1 minute. Okay,
Mm.
okay, okay.